Ireland, look.
No, let me see him.
You want to pet him?
No. Then he's like a toy.
No, he's not like a toy. You mean like a pet? Is that what you're trying to say? No, he's not a pet. Should we help him too? I think he wants to fly.
Oh.
Hey, Bug. They're flying. They're taking off. Oh, there goes one. You see him? Look, baby, stop. Look at. Okay, Ireland. You know what time it is? It's nap time. Go ahead, pick them. Pick them. Yeah, you got it. See? Wow.
Yeah.
I don't want to hold them. Oh, hold your pop. All right.
I just want to find one.
You want to find one?
I found one. I found shells.
And what kind of bug came out of there?
No.
What's it called?
Shell.
What's the name of the bug?
Shell.
Cicada? You say it.
I just found that book over that book.
Say cicada.
I want to put this down.
You're a brave little girl. We couldn't get you near those a week ago.
Oh, there are. There are. Wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah?
I find shell.
That's all that's there now. They all flew away. They're up in the treetops.
Oh, up a treetop. Oh, that one. Shell. Shell.